Hello friends, welcome back to BNB. So we are going to continue with the port security feature mode, which is violation mode types. So this is part 3. We are going to see the third mode type, which is protect mode for the port security on switch interface. So this is the topology that we have been discussing. So we are going to see the third type, port protect mode for violation. So just go to the same topology, same switch, and then go to the interface, and then you can remove the previously configured violation. So we have been left with violation restrict. So we are going to remove it using no switch port security violation, and then you can now configure the violation protect. So as you seen in the screen, so we have configured the violation mode protect on the switch interface FE0/2. So now you can see the interface is reflecting with the violation mode protect. So now you can go to the interface status, show port security interface FE0/2. You can see the interface is up. There is no violation notifications or violation count has been seen. It is in 0 mode. So now go to the system end system 1, which is on the left side, and try to ping the other end system, which is on the right, PC2. So it is pinging. So you can see this default gateway is also pingable through the switch port FE0/2. And similarly on the other end, you are able to reach the system end system, which is connected to FE0/2. That is 192.168.10.1. So end-to-end reachability we have tested. So now this is the output right now with the interfaces FE0/2 and FE0/3. So let's introduce a new new user, which is on the left side, PC3, and we are going to connect the same port FE0/2 by disconnecting the PC1 and connecting this new PC3. So let it come up. So if you go ahead and try to reach the network from PC3, which is connected newly, try to reach the other end system PC2 or the gateway, you will not be able to reach it because the interface will be protected using a protect mode of the violation feature on the port security. So you can see there is no notification. The speciality of this mode is there will not be any symptom of violation here, but the port will be silently protected. So there will be no notification as such, and you can see the same MAC address is still sticked on this particular port. So but still the port looks up and running, and show IP interface brief also was showing the interface status as up. So now if you ping, there is no response from the other end because the port has been protected using a port violation mode of protect. So you can see the physical ports are showing up as well, and you can see the running config as well. So but still the request timeout is coming on the ping. So now go to the show port security. You can see there is no violation count as such. So that is why the protect mode will silently protect the port without giving any notification, as well as the interface disability. That's why we are able to see only the ping failure from end to end, but the port is showing up and running. So let's try to recover or retain the port back to the original end system, which is PC1, using the same port FE0/2, connecting it. So as we have seen in the previous video, how do we recover the interface which is in the protect mode or a violation mode? So just do no shut. So that's what we are going to do. So we just gone to fast ethernet 0/2 and shut we have given. So you can see the interface is still up because there is no notification or no symptoms here, and you can see the violation count is still 0. So there is no change on that. The only difference we can see now is we will be able to reach the other end system from this end system, because this end system's MAC address is already being configured as a sticky for this port FE0/2. So you can see the port is up and running, and we are able to ping the other end system 192.168.10.2 and the gateway as well. So these are the outputs you have seen. And if you see the show running config, as I told, the same MAC has been sticked with this port FA0/2 since we have configured the port security with the port security mode protect. So I hope you learned what are the modes of port security, and you learned port security violation mode protect in this video as well. With this, we can conclude the port security mode types. So hope you learned something. See you in another video.